Hi everyone, I'm going to make a video on English because I regularly want to practice English. So, how I can practice English? And then I have decided that I will make some videos and record my regular progress, whether I'm improving or not. So you can see my English level now. I'm trying that I will make continuous videos, and later you will understand that whether I have improved or not. I think my English condition is not so good. So, how you can practice English? Uh, Now I'm giving you some examples how you can practice English in your home or outside. So, if you want to learn English, you have to regularly practice English. But how? You have to think in English, or you have to practice English with your surroundings. How? Let me give you an example. So, this is my wallet. I'm going to show you my wallet. So, what you have to do is pick something and describe about it. Like, this is my wallet. Its color is black. It's thin because I'm poor. It's old. So, describe the condition of the thing. What do you think about it? What? Ask some question like who, how, when, this type of question. So this is my wallet. Why did I get it? So I have bought it from a shop. When did I bought? I bought it almost 1 year ago. So how does it perform? Like, oh, it's good. It's very good. So do something with another thing. Like I have taken my notebook. This is my notebook. So it's tiny notebook, tiny. I can write many things with my notebook. So you can see my English. I can improve my English by this type of thing. I just need to describe things, what I see around my surroundings, like be, like on my backside, and there's a laptop. I have also some other things on my table. You can see. So I have to do is I have to just describe things around my side, and I have to describe what I think about those things. Like I have another thing in my on my table. This is the comb. This is I have no use of it because I have no hair, but it doesn't belong to me. So whatever this comb. Can you say what is the color of the comb? I think it's orange color. So I have another thing. This is a microphone, I think, and this is another microphone. I can use it to make my video shoot. So its color is black. This is black, and this is I think yeah, is full. This should be plugged on my phone, and I have to use it on my throat, or I have to hang it on my dress. So this is the use of it. I can use it if I want to make video outside, or if I go far from the my recorder or my phone or my camera. I mean, so this is also my camera. This is my mobile phone. In my mobile phone, there is a camera. I can shoot with that. I'm just describing randomly to improve my English. I'm sitting on a stool. Still, I don't know what is the actual pronunciation later. I'll try to improve my pronunciation also. After watching my video, I'll analyze if my pronunciation is okay or not. So I'll learn pronunciation how I learn my pronunciation. I will pause my video again and listen to my carefully, and I will pause every word from Google and I'll search, okay, is it the correct pronunciation or not? Then I will try to improve my, like, what is wallet? I will try to learn the actual pronunciation of wallet from Google and some other things. I have also a book on my table. So this is a very renowned book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. You know about the writer Robert Toru Kiyosaki. He is the famous author of the book and international bestseller book Rich Dad and Poor Dad. The book described about money making. This book gave a very good explanation about money and why people are rich, why people are poor. So you can also do this. You can pick a book every day, and you can also narrate about the book. So what is explained in the book. You can give a summary of the book. You can share what you have learned from this book. So that I'm doing that I have learned about money on the through this book because the author is very smart. He described about earning money and what actually he characterized many sources of earning and how we should earn and how we should waste or how we should use that money. I mean, so how we can earn money. There are different sources, but that the author explained that there are actually four sources of earning money. I mean, we can go for sole entrepreneurship or sole. We can be a worker. We can be a businessman. We can be a. I mean, we can go for a occupation like we can be a doctor, engineer, like teacher. So these are the category of this is the category of earning money. And another source is investor. So I've explained four types of earning. So we can earn from four sources, but we actually uh, spend this our money on different things. So we can spend for our living, we can spend for our education, we can spend for our recreation. So and we can also save our money. So so if I use so many times so, that means I'm not good at English. I have to avoid this type of thing. It's using a single word so many times. We have to know that the use of the appropriate vocabularies. Yeah, but also we need to find out uh, alternative sources of vocabularies. Like if I say sorry, and I can also say differently the word. Like I can say I beg my apology. So I can use different vocabularies and it will enrich my vocabulary. So I have to analyze that if I am using the same vocabulary many times or not. This is also a way to improve English. So I'm talking about learning English, and I was also talking about a book that they said that we can spend our money on different purpose, but we have to calculate and we have to use our brain. Why we should invest our money? Why we should spend our money? Why should I spend or not? So the writer or author suggests that before spending your money, you must say at least 10% or more than that. You have to give yourself. I mean, you have to pay yourself first and invest first, then spend. Spend later, invest fast. So this is the formula to be rich. And he also suggested that if you want to be rich, don't work for money. Let the money work for you. So this is the theory to be rich. Don't work for money. Never work for money. Let the money work for you. So if you want to be rich, you have to use your money for you have to invest your money so that if you sleep or if you be retired, your money works for you. So this is the formula to be rich. If you think that okay, we have to earn lot, and if we don't invest, we will not be rich. If we want to be rich and stay rich, we have to invest. We have to invest where we can. We don't need to work our work, but the money work for us. So we must be careful about safe investment. So my video quality I think is good. I'm really enjoying my video because it's a natural sunlight and it has improved. It has improved my skin tone. I think I'm really happy to see my video, and I have already practiced 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes. Later tomorrow uh, or in my next video, I will show you something very interesting. How we can learn English by using in our daily life. So from today, this is okay, I think, and see you on my next video. Now comment below about my English. Yeah, if I'm improving or not, the condition of my current condition actually, if I'm okay or not, or comment below about my English and practice style. How and suggest me how I can improve my English. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please make comment, and if you like my video, please like. And if you want to learn English with me, please just stay connected and share your feelings, share your and give some suggestions. So, thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video.